Hi students, let's see the next chapter, that is applications of trigonometry. In this chapter we have only one exercise, that is 9.1. So before that, let us see what are the applications of trigonometry. Ready? So please make sure that before studying chapter 9 you have to study chapter 8. Why? There are so many equations and formulas are related with this chapter is in chapter 8. So please make sure that you are studying chapter 8 before studying chapter 9. So you will be getting my videos. Please make sure that you will be subscribing this channel. Ready? Okay, let's start the work now. First one, applications. 5 we are studying this chapter. And we know that this chapter is very relevant for astronomers. If you want to find out the distance of a planet or the distance of a star, we have to use trigonometry. Ready? In the case of normal way, we know that the height and distance of a mountain or an aeroplane, we can use trigonometry. Let's see now in this chapter, the first one we have to know what is line of sight. Ready? What is line of sight? Suppose I am the one standing, I am looking one mountain. So I am the observer. Ready? I am standing here, I am the one looking the mountain. So I am the observer. And I am looking one mountain, that is the object. Ready? The entire mountain I am not going to see. I have to see only a particular point. So that point of view. Ready? That means you will take the point of view by the observer. Ready? I am the observer, so I have to see one point. Ready? That point of view and observer, my eyes. Let's see line of sight. A line draw from the eyes of the observer to the point in the object viewed by the observer is called line of sight. What is line of sight? It is the line drawn from the eye of the observer to the point in the object viewed by the observer is called line of sight. Ready? That means the observer will be here and the point viewed by the observer will be here, and there will be a line in between the eye of the observer and the point where he is looking. Ready? This line is called line of sight. It's very important, related with this chapter. Ready? Let's see now angle of elevation. Suppose I am looking an aeroplane. Ready? So I have to look this way. That means what is? The object is above. Ready? And where we are standing, this is the horizontal level. This is the horizontal level. Ready? This horizontal level, and I am looking an aeroplane above. That means what I will do? I have to look this way. So I will get an angle. That is called the angle of elevation. Let's see what is the angle of elevation. See, it is the angle between the line of sight. What is that? It is the angle between the line of sight and the horizontal level when the object is above the horizontal level. Ready? So this is called angle of elevation. See the diagram? We can see angle of elevation, this angle in between the line of sight and the horizontal level. Sure, the object should be above the horizontal level. Next one, angle of depression. What is that angle of depression? We can understand. Suppose we are standing on the top of a tall building. Ready? And after that we are looking into the downside. Somebody may be walking through the street. Ready? So we are standing here in the top of a building and looking downside, walking through the street. So that way, when you are looking down, that is called angle of depression. We know that the horizontal level will be there and of course line of sight will be there. Ready? So let's see the angle of depression. Angle of depression means it is the angle between the line of sight and the horizontal level when the object is below the horizontal level. When the object is below the horizontal level, that is called angle of depression. You can see the diagram here. Ready? So in these applications, you need to know very important 3 equations. One is sin theta equals perpendicular by hypotenuse. What is that? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Otherwise, in place of perpendicular, if you want, you can say opposite side by hypotenuse. Ready? Next one, cos theta equals base by hypotenuse. What is that? Base by hypotenuse. Otherwise, in place of base, we can say adjacent side by hypotenuse. And the next one, tan theta equals perpendicular by base, otherwise opposite side by adjacent side, and 3 values from the table. And this table, not the entire table, only half of the table you should keep. That is sine, cos and tan. These values if you know, you can do this exercise 9.1. Okay, that is sine 0 means 0, sine 30 means 1 by 2, sine 45 means 1 by root 2, sine 60 means root 3 by 2, and sine 90 means 1. Ready? Same way, cos and tan we need to know. Make sure that you are watching exercise 8.2, trigonometry, chapter 8, that is exercise 8.2. Let's see, exercise 9.1, the first question. I am going to read the question now, careful. A circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope, which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of a vertical pole to the ground. Find the height of the pole if the angle by the rope with the ground level is 30 degrees. See, what is here? There is a circus artist. He is climbing the rope. It's tightly tied. Ready? Now, see, you have to find out height of the pole. What do you want to find out? Height of the pole. To find out height of the pole, what you will do? We are making one triangle. See, this AC is the rope and AB is the pole. AB is the pole. Ready? Now what is given here? Length of the rope is given 20 meter. Now what do you want to find out? Height of the pole. Height of the pole you have to find out. And this angle is given. Angle between, see what is given? Angle by the rope with the ground. Angle with the rope to the ground is given. Angle with the rope and the ground is given 30 degree. That means this angle is given 30 degree. Length of the rope is given 20 meter. You want to find out height of the pole. Ready? So what you will do mean, what is given? This part is given. So according to this triangle, the longer side is called hypotenuse. Ready? The longer side is called hypotenuse. Ready? So we got it, the longer side is already given. Now what do you want to find out? This AB, height of the pole we want to find out. So to find out height of the pole mean, according to this angle, this will be the angle C. Side opposite to angle C mean this is called the perpendicular or the opposite side. So perpendicular and hypotenuse. Perpendicular by hypotenuse. What is the ratio? Sine. Okay, so keep in mind. Now what do you want to find out? We want to find out the height of the pole. So we'll write, let AB be the height of the pole. What do you write? Let AB be the height of the pole. Let AB be the height of the pole. Okay, now after that we'll write what is given. Hypotenuse is given. What do you want to find out? Perpendicular. Hypotenuse is given. Perpendicular we want to find out. So perpendicular by hypotenuse, sine. That means we will write sine theta. What is the angle here? Sine 30 degree equals perpendicular by hypotenuse. Why we took sine? Because perpendicular you want to find out, hypotenuse is given. Ready? Because of that we are taking sine. Ready? Why we took sine? Because perpendicular you need to find out, hypotenuse is already given. Ready? Now we know that sine 30 degree from the table. You should know sine 30 degree. Sine 30 degree is how much? 1 by 2. So we'll write that 1 by 2 equals perpendicular. What is perpendicular? AB by hypotenuse AC. Implies 1 by 2 equals, what is the value of AB? We have to find out, isn't it? So we'll write AB by, what is AC? 20 meter. Now we will cross multiply this way. We will cross multiply. That means AB into 2. AB into 2 equals, see, this 2 will multiply again 1 into 20. That means 20 meter. Therefore, AB equals, what you will do? 2 is multiplying. The 2 goes next side, divide. That means what you will do? 20 divided by 2 meter. See, 2 is multiplying. Next side, it will divide. Now, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, and this 0 will write. That means 10 meters. Let's see the next question. Question number 2. A tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touch the ground, making an angle 30 degrees with it. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touch the ground is 8 meter. Find the height of the tree. First one, we have to find out height of the tree. So I am taking OP is the tree. That means height of the tree means what you will do? AO plus PA or AP. That is OP. OP is the height of the tree. Ready? Next one. What is given here? A tree breaks due to storm. Suppose this is a tree. If it breaks, what will happen? The same piece fall down. Got it? That means this PA falls into this side. See, this is breaking, this broken. This part breaks and come to here. Got it? That means see, I am keeping this one and this portion is the tree top portion, means if it falls, it comes this way. So what is in the top and the same piece will come here. Have you understood? Okay. So now what will happen? This piece, that means what? AP will be equal to AB because the same piece fall down to this side. Ready? Now, that means what, first what you will write? Let OP be the height of the tree. Height of the tree. And OP equals AO plus AP. I hope you can understand. This OP is the tree, AO and AP be the part of OP. That means this much you got it. Now again one more thing, and AP equals AB, because we can understand the same piece is broken, isn't it? This AP fall down to this side. Okay. Let's start the work now. Now after that, what is given? Say that make an angle, and this top of the tree make an angle 30 degree to the ground. See, this tree breaks and fall into the top of the tree falls here, and it make an angle 30 degree to the ground. From the foot of the tree, how much distance? 8 meter. See, the distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touch to the ground. See, this distance between the top of the tree and the foot of the tree. Ready? Because the top of the tree breaks and fall here. So this top of the tree and foot of the tree is 8 meter. And this angle top of the tree make an angle 30 degree. Okay. Now what do you want? We want to find out height of the tree. Means we want even this AO and even AB, both we need to find out. That means, of course, if you take this triangle, this is the perpendicular, otherwise opposite side, and we know that AB is the hypotenuse, the longer side of the triangle. Ready? Now, first we will consider any one of this. Means if we consider perpendicular and this one is nearby the angle. Nearby the angle means adjacent side, otherwise base. That means BO will be the adjacent side or base of the triangle ABC, OAB. Base of the triangle OAB. Ready? That means BO will be the base, otherwise adjacent side. Ready? So we will consider base and perpendicular. Ready? So let's start. In triangle ABO, I am going to consider perpendicular and base. Perpendicular by base is tan. That means what you'll write? Tan 30 degree equals perpendicular by base. And we know that from the table, tan 30 is 1 by root 3. That means the value of tan 30 degree equals 1 by root 3. Ready? That value will apply here. That means this implies 1 by root 3 equals perpendicular. Yes, AO divided by base BO. Implies 1 by root 3 equals AO. We don't know the value. So AO divided by BO means what you'll write? 8 meter. Cross multiplying. That means what you'll get? Root 3 into AO equals, this 2 will multiply, cross multiplying, equals 1 into 8 meter. Therefore, AO equals 8 and this root 3 is multiplying, goes next side, divide. Okay, that means we got it. AO equals 8 by root 3. Now we will find out the value of AB. To find out value of AB, one more time we'll write in triangle ABO. We want now AB means hypotenuse. And base is already given. So hypotenuse and base or base by hypotenuse. What is that? Yes, base by hypotenuse means cos theta. Means here we'll write cos 30 degree equals base by hypotenuse. So what is the value of cos 30? Yes, we have to see the table, isn't it? So cos 30 equals cos 30 degree equals root 3 by 2. Ready? So we'll put that value here. Root 3 by 2 in place of cos 30 equals base. What is base here according to this triangle? Base is BO divided by hypotenuse AB. Implies root 3 by 2 equals BO 8. 8 by, we don't know the value of AB, just write AB. Now we'll cross multiply. Cross multiply, isn't it? So root 3 into AB equals 2 into 8. Ready? Therefore AB equals, what you'll do? This root 3 is multiplying. So this root 3 goes to right side, it will divide. That means 2 8s are 16. 16 by, now what you will do? This root 3 is multiplying, goes next side, will divide root 3. Now we got it AB. If you want height of the tree, what you will do? Therefore, height of the tree equals, height of the tree means OP equals, what is the value of OP? OP means we will write OA plus AP. But we got the value of OA before. What is that? 8 by root 3. 8 by root 3 plus, now AP. AP means we know that AP and AB are equal, isn't it? So in place of AP, what you can write? AB equals, ready? 8 by root 3 plus, in place of AB, what you will write? 16 by root 3 equals, now see, both denominators are same. Denominators are same means, yes, we'll take LCM root 3 and the balance will write, numerator what you will write? 8 plus 16. 8 plus 16 means what you will do? 8 plus 16? Yes, 24. 24 by root 3. 24 by root 3, numerator and denominator root 3 will multiply. Why? To remove the denominator root. Because root 3 is in downside, isn't it? So to remove the root 3 from the denominator, we have to multiply numerator and denominator root 3. 24 into root 3 by root 3 into root 3, 3. Root 5 into root 5, 5. Root 7, 7. Now we'll cancel. 3 1s are 3. 3 8s are 24. That means your answer is 8 root 3. Of course, we know that it is in meter. So the answer is 8 root 3 meter. So height of the tree is 8 root 3 meter. Let's see the next question. Question number 3. I'll read the question once. A contractor plans to install 2 sliders for the children to play in a park. For the children below the age of 5 years, she prefers to have a slide whose top is at a height of 1.5 meter and is inclined at an angle of 30 degree to the ground. Whereas for the elder children, she wants to have a steep slide at a height of 3 meter and inclined at an angle of 60 degree to the ground. What should be the length of the slide in each case? See, there are two conditions here. The first one, let's see the question. A contractor planned to install 2 sliders in a park. Ready? The first one, it should be below 5 years. And what is the height of the slide? Vertical height is 1.5 meter. It inclined an angle 30 degree. Isn't it? It makes an 30 degree. It makes an angle 30 degree and its height is, vertical height is 1.5. Now what do you want? We want to find out the length of the slides. If you want to find out the length of the slide, means we have to take AC. Ready? So what do you do? Yes, we will consider this. Of course, it is a right angle triangle. So the longer side is called hypotenuse, and which is given, vertical height is given, isn't it? So this will be the perpendicular, otherwise opposite side. Ready? Now perpendicular and hypotenuse, which ratio we can take? Sin theta, isn't it? So let's start the work. Let AC be the length of the slide for the children below the age of 5. Ready? So AC be the length of the slide for the children below the age of 5. That means we will take in triangle ABC. It's already given the perpendicular. We want to find out the hypotenuse. So perpendicular and hypotenuse, which ratio will take? Yes, sine. That means sine, what will be the degree here? 30. Sine 30 degree equals perpendicular by hypotenuse. Implies, we know that sine 30, what is the value of sine 30? 1 by 2 equals, perpendicular is? Yes, AB. AB by hypotenuse AC. That implies 1 by 2 equals the value of AB 1.5 divided by AC. Let's cross multiply. That means cross multiply now. How we can understand? This into this. That means 1 into AC. AC equals 1.5 into 2. 1.5 into 2 means 15 twos are 30. Isn't it? After that, 1 decimal is here. So what will do? From right to left, we will count 1 point. That means we will get 3 meter. Got length of the first slide. Therefore, length of the first slide equals 3 meter. Ready? Let us see the second condition. She wants to make a slide which should be little more steep, and of course the height is given 3, and which make an angle to the ground is 60 degree. So we want to find out the length of the slide. That is what you do. Let PR be the length of the second slide. Ready? So we will take in triangle PQR. We know that in the case of a right angle triangle, the longer side is hypotenuse, and this one we have to find out. Then perpendicular is given. Perpendicular means opposite side is given. Ready? So perpendicular and hypotenuse, which ratio will use? Sine. That means we write sine. Second case, what is the angle? Yes, 60 degree equals perpendicular by hypotenuse. This implies sin 60. What is the value of sin 60? Yes, root 3 by 2. Sin 60, root 3 by 2. Don't forget to study the table. Equals perpendicular 3. 3 by hypotenuse, we don't know. Just keep us PR. Ready? This implies. Now, cross multiplying these two. That is root 3 into PR equals, 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. Therefore, PR equals 6 divided by multiplication root 3 goes next side will divide. Equals, what will do now? 6 into root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3. Why? Because to remove the denominator root 3, we have to multiply numerator and denominator root 3. Then the value will not change. Ready? Now 6 into root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3. Yes, 3. Root 5 into root 5. 5. Ready? So now we cancel. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. Equals, what you get? 2 root 3 meter. Alright. Let's see the next question, question number 4. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower. We can understand tower long, isn't it? Tall. Ready? So, tower is tall. There is a tower that we can call it as BC is the tower. After that, what happened? Somebody is standing 30 meter away from the tower, 30 meter away from the tower and looking to the top of the tower, 30 degree, isn't it? Very careful, you should understand the question. How it is? There is a tower, 30 meter away from the tower, somebody is standing and looking into the top of the tower. Found the angle of elevation is 30 degree. Now what do you want to find out? Find the height of the tower. Ready? So first we will write, let BC be the height of the tower. Ready? After that, now careful, near to the angle, except hypotenuse, the longer side, we call it as adjacent side or base. Ready? It can be called as adjacent side or base. It's opposite, that is required to find out. So it is opposite side, that is called perpendicular. So perpendicular and base, what ratio will take? 10. In triangle ABC, 10, 30 degree equals perpendicular by base. Which side is given, which is required? These two will compare. So base and perpendicular, or perpendicular and base, we got it 10, isn't it? Okay, this implies, what is the value of tan 30? Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Tan 30 degree equals 1 by root 3. Is it okay? Now equals perpendicular BC. BC by base AB. Implies 1 by root 3 equals BC. We don't know the value, we are going to find out. BC by, in place of AB, what you can write? 30. Ready? Let's cross multiply. That means what you will do? Root 3 into BC equals 30 into 1, 30. Ready? Implies. Now, we will take only BC. BC equals, what you will do? 30. Root 3 is multiplying, goes next side, divide. That means divide by root 3 equals. Now what do you do? Numerator and denominator, root 3 will multiply. To remove the root 3 from the denominator, isn't it? Equals 30 into root 3, divide by root 3 into root 3, 3. So we cancel 3 ones are 3, 3 tens are 30, isn't it? That means the answer is 10 root 3 meter. Okay. Let's see the next question. Question number 5. A kite is flying at a height of 60 meter above the ground. The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to a point on the ground. The inclination of the string with the ground is 60 degree. Find the length of the string assuming that there is no slack in the string. Ready? See, there is a kite. Height of the kite is 60 meter. Height of the kite. You can understand kite? Yes. So kite 60 meter above the ground. And there is a string. There is a string. There is a string. Isn't it? And the string, there is no slack. Straight. That's the meaning. So what do you want to do? It make an angle, the string and the ground, it make an angle 60 degree. Now what do you want to do? Length of the string. Ready? Length of the string means AC is the string. So this length you have to find out. So what is given? Height is given. According to this angle, this is the opposite side. This is called perpendicular. This is the opposite to this angle. So it is called the opposite side of perpendicular. And we want to find out the length of the string. We call it as hypotenuse. Ready? Now we will consider perpendicular and hypotenuse. Perpendicular and hypotenuse. Sine. Let's start the work now. First we will write let AC be the length of the string. Ready? Now in triangle ABC, what do you do? Which is given? Perpendicular is given. Which you will go to find out hypotenuse. That means perpendicular and hypotenuse. That is what we are going to take. Sine. What is the degree here? 60 degree. Sine 60 degree equal perpendicular by hypotenuse. That implies sine 60. Yeah, you should know from the table. Sine 60 degree equals root 3 by 2. Ready? That implies root 3 by 2 equals perpendicular BC divided hypotenuse AC implies root 3 by 2 equals the value of BC is given only 60 meter divided by AC. Cross multiplying. Let us cross multiply. Root 3 into AC. What do you get? Plus this 2 will multiply. That means root 3 into AC equals 2 into 60. 2 into 60 meter. Therefore, AC equals what do you do? Yeah, 2 into 60 divided by root 3 because multiplying both next side will divide, isn't it? Equals what do you do? 2 into 60, 2 6 are 12. That means 120 divided by root 3. But we want to remove the root 3 from denominator. So what do you do? Numerator and denominator root 3 will multiply and the value will not change. That is 120 into root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3. Yes, 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 fours are 12. Now the 0 will go. That means 40 root 3 meter. Alright. Now make sure that you are subscribing my channel to get the balance and